I've always had a passion for research, and that brought me to Laramie and to UWyo.
It is one of the best universities in the Rocky Mountain area when it comes to international studies and political science.
I love the way SPPAIS prepares its students to do field work. So we go to different countries to collect our data.
During my fieldwork, I got to meet officials at the UN. I feel it has been a very rewarding experience for me, especially when it comes to my research.
Through the SPPAIS, I went to Northern Ireland.
My friends are from 8 different countries.
You can meet people from Africa, from Asia, from Europe, from the United States.
There are so many scholarships that are available for students here.
My research, which was in Ghana, was 100% fully funded by SPPAIS and UWyo.
SPPAIS provides graduate assistantship to many of us, so it means we pay nothing, to have this kind of quality education. I've not got that much support before. SPPAIS has made that possible for me.
It's been an amazing experience to work with SPPAIS professors.
You call on them, they answer you, and they offer practical help and assistance, which has been so wonderful.
The first day I came to Laramie, I realized that even though the weather is so cold, the people here are so warm.
The culture of Wyoming, the people themselves, they are so polite.
I feel extremely grateful that I live in this beautiful state.
I consider Wyoming as a family to me, as a place where I belong.
I consider SPPAIS as my family. UW is my home away from home. If you come to Wyoming, you will be in good hands.
You become a cowboy, you are indoctrinated into the excellence culture, and that's not going to leave you, definitely.